Hi, today in front of me Honor X6 and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first open the Gmail application, not Google, Gmail. So then just tap on the right upper corner to log out from Gmail application. We should first log out from Google account on our device. So to do that, click to manage account on this device. Tap to Google section and click to remove icon, then click to remove. And now in Google account settings we just successfully got from Gmail account, and now in application we can see that we just also successfully log out from Gmail app. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.